Get ready to level up your DIY game with 10 must-have tools you never knew you needed. From genius gadgets to time-saving tech, these Amazon finds will transform your next project, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started. Stick around, because these picks will have you saying, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep your drill steady, the mobile drill stand is about to become your new best friend. This tool turns your handheld drill into a mini drill press, allowing for vertical drilling with perfect precision. It's portable, sturdy, and ideal for drilling into wood, plastic, or even metal. Whether you're building furniture or working on a craft project, this tool helps you avoid the dreaded crooked hole. See how easy that is? It's a must-have for anyone who's serious about accuracy in their projects. Next up, we've got the 2Bix pipe cutter, and this little tool is all about convenience and precision. With its compact, ergonomic design, it's perfect for cutting pipes in tight spaces or awkward angles. And don't worry, no jagged edges here. The 2Bix delivers smooth, clean cuts with every use, whether you're working with copper, aluminum, or plastic pipes. Seriously, just a few turns and you're done. It's super handy for plumbers, HVAC techs, or anyone working with piping. Now, for all you detailers and metalworkers out there, the cordless polishing tool is a must-have. Compact yet powerful, this tool is perfect for polishing metal surfaces, cleaning up rusty spots, or giving your car that showroom shine. And the best part, it's cordless. No more dealing with tangled wires or limited mobility while working on your projects. Look at that difference. It's lightweight, easy to control, and delivers a professional-grade finish. Having reliable air tool connections is essential, and this coupler and plug kit has everything you need for a hassle-free experience. Whether you're setting up a compressor or switching between pneumatic tools, this kit provides leak-proof connections that last. With a variety of fittings and durable construction, it's built to withstand the demands of everyday use. No more fighting with stubborn connections or worrying about leaks. This kit is all about making your life easier. Next on the list, the cable cutter. Whether you're dealing with thick copper wire or smaller electrical cables, this tool gets the job done with ease. Its high-leverage design means you can cut through even the toughest materials with minimal effort, leaving you with smooth, clean edges every time. It's sharp, durable, and a must-have for electricians, hobbyists, or anyone who needs to cut wire on the regular. Now, don't let the size fool you. This is the Knipex Cobra XS, and it packs a serious punch. It's the smallest water pump pliers out there, but with one of the best grips you'll find. Perfect for tight spaces or quick adjustments. It has a push button that allows you to adjust its grip in seconds. It's portable, fits right in your pocket, and is incredibly handy when you're working on the go. Definitely a tool you want in your arsenal. Dull blades? Not anymore. The knife sharpener is essential for anyone who wants their knives to stay sharp and ready for action. Whether it's kitchen knives, utility blades, or chisels, this sharpener brings your tools back to life in just a few swipes. See that edge? It's like having a brand new knife, and a sharp tool is a safe tool, making this one of the most valuable gadgets in any toolbox. If you've ever struggled with clamping your boards for glue-ups, you need these edge clamps in your workshop. They apply even pressure across the length of the board, ensuring a solid bond and perfect alignment. Ideal for woodworking projects where precision is key. No more slipping or uneven glue lines. These clamps keep everything perfectly in place. This flexible wrench is a total lifesaver when you're working in tight spaces. The head swivels to reach awkward angles, and it still delivers the same amount of torque as a regular wrench. Whether you're working under the sink or in the engine bay, this tool makes the job a lot easier. It's versatile, tough, and incredibly useful for both professional mechanics and dyers. No more guessing where your wall studs are. The stud finder takes all the guesswork out of hanging heavy items like mirrors, shelves, or TVs. With advanced sensors, it can locate studs, pipes, and even live electrical wires, so you're never caught off guard. It's reliable, easy to use, and a must-have for any homeowner. And that's a wrap. Those were 10 incredible tools you can find on Amazon right now that'll level up your DIY game. From precision drilling to tackling tough materials, these tools are all about making your projects easier, faster, and more professional. If any of these tools caught your eye, check the links in the description to grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tool recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.